We made it to the beach. Okay, Kiki, I see you. We have such a beautiful view. Look at it. Ooh, I can't wait to go out. The sun finally came out. It's raining. What are the gloves for?
The baseball.
Oh, well, can we figure out eating first? I'm hungry.
Yeah, I just want
They got mad hats though.
Holy.
Whoa. Oh, that's a glove. That's a glove.
Oh shit, this is mine.
Whoa. I would say so. It's kind of big. I'll put 2 hands in that one. See how that works.
This is mine from a long time ago.
Your hands were not that big a long time ago. Come on. Was that really necessary? You guys are so aggressive. And they can't hold anything. They drop they drop everything.
Shit. Am I on camera? What's up? Shout out Timber Ridge, Force Training Center, Become a Savage.
Anyways, this is our little campsite.
We gotta fix it up.
It's at this campsite called Rayport. It's between Chester and Mahone Bay in Nova Scotia. We're all set up. Gotta get this fire going. It was raining earlier, but as you can see, the sun has come out. So I don't know that man. He got in my film. It's okay. Anyways, we have to figure out how to get this fire going because the wood's kind of wet.
I see it.
So yeah. But look at this view. We have a nice little river beside us, well behind us. It's really pretty. Apparently you can go swimming in it. I'm not sure if we're going to though. We'll figure it out. We're all weekend, so we have lots of things that we can do. Let's break out this fireplace and get some food on the grill. Simon's trying to help people whose tire's flat. He's always helping someone. He's so nice. He's really trying to figure it out too.
I would if I could, but I have no idea. Yeah.
Who brought their dog?
Hey, take them all.
He just started spazzing. Nice.
Burn, baby, burn.
It's starting. Yes. Ah, it's looking good. Yo, my hair is going back. It's reverting to short girl. Well, it's not short, but like it's just, it was longer because I had it stretched out. But now it's going back because it's so muggy outside. It's warm, and it would because it's raining. It's a little wet, so a little humid. But it's okay. I'll just twist it up for the night, and then I think it'll be good again tomorrow. But look, oh. It's okay. It's okay. Our little fire's finally going. Wow, I can't talk. Our little fire is finally going. Yay! Woo! Put my camera on my neck so it'll drop it in the water. This is nice.
You're drinking my beer now.
I'm not drinking your beer. You heard it here first, folks. We have now found the mysterious river. And we found a way to get into said river. As you can see, yes. Okay, and we bring it down and over here. So, okay, so the river is flowing from, imagine if I just fell in.
I really wish I had my beer.
Hit the damn beer.
I got my beer.
Imagine if I fell in. What would you do? Okay.
Cheers, everybody.
Hey.
Oh.
Hi. Yeah,
Cheers.
let's not, yeah. Okay. Imagine if I fell in the river, what would you do? Like,
what?
I'm not saying anything.
You found the river, I go get you.
I found blueberries. Wild blueberries. They're probably boobs. You guys always find a way to say boobs. Am I gonna eat them? Yes. But I am also going to clean them off first. Make sure you clean off berries that you pick, guys. Because just don't be dirty. Don't just eat them. I think that's good. Nice. Yum!
You picked it.
Apparently it's Christmas in July. I was trying to figure out why there's a bunch of Christmas stuff at other people's RV sites. And it's because it's Christmas in July. That's the pool. There's people in it, but I don't want to go too close because there's like kids and I don't want to be doing all that. Some people are weird, you know. So we have found the basketball net.
I can go.
Can you?
Yeah. Maybe not in flops, but.
No. Yee, got a holy sock and everything. He is not shook. Flat. Wow. That is a bouncy ball. Not like a basketball. It looks like a, I was gonna say a medicine ball, but that's not it. You better get it in. Yes! Okay.
That was gonna bounce on that.
Yeah, no. It just splatted.
Just went in. You can literally just throw it.
Again, guys are so aggressive.
What?
Huh? No wonder it's broke. I wonder how many guys been here. Destroyed.
Watch this.
The poor thing has half his brain out. Like, what's that guy from Crash Bandicoot? Neutron? With his head out? Is it Neutron? There's a character from Crash Bandicoot and half of his brain is exposed. Or is it Mojo Jojo?
I don't
know. Mojo Jojo. You know? From Powerpuff Girls? No? Whatever. Someone knows. He's having too much fun. Stop moving. Oh my god. It's a bunny. Where's Bambi? They're finally on the grill. Chee! The smoke from this fire is so like, it burns your eyes, so I'm not gonna get too close.
Boys.
Boys.
There's a ton up here, bro.
I think they're full now.
They don't even give a shit.
Maybe they don't like this stuff.
No, they were eating it over there.
Look at this guy.
Look at the dude.
Call him. I have something to say. He's over there like doing a little dance. There's so much bread here. ready to go. Hey! And it smells good. I want to eat it.
We're gonna
But
eat
it's
molten
hot.
hot lava.
It's too hot.
It's hot. It's real hot.
It's too hot.
She crazy.
Okay, stop.
Hey, she pushed. Hey, she punched me. Hey, she pushed me. She straight up pushed me. Can you believe that? Oh my god. Doesn't go that way. It goes that way.
Not go that way.
Hello. Hey, she pushed me.
No, hold it straight, landscape. Hold it straight, don't turn it. Why didn't you take it off your neck?
What? I make it into a camper.
Put some string lights in there.
Yeah, I knew you would like some string lights.
I wonder who's in one of those boats. Are they in there sleeping? Because how else would they get away from the boat? This is a serious question.
They have dinghies or little paddle boats, or they're in them.
I think they're in them.
They could be.
I mean, besides that one.
That's a dinghy.
That little one?
The-
No,
the
it's that one. I would say laying down.
How is somebody
They could be laying down.
buoyed up with this?
Booed up. Yo, let's get
Double
booed
buoyed up. Fuck.
I went to a zoo with only one dog in it. It was a Shih Tzu. Oh. Sure.